Scientists finally confirmed that Uranus is surrounded by fart clouds, but the cloud would kill you before the smell did. Sometimes science simply confirms what we already know to be true. You know what I'm talking about. Researcher will find evidence that losing sleep makes you cranky and bad at your job. That eating that eating lots of vegetables is good for you, or that Uranus is surrounded by a noxious fart cloud. Indeed, the new finding on the letter published in Nature Astronomy come as no surprise to those who've spent time closely examining Uranus. More than a year ago, planetary scientists told Gizmodo Ryan's F. Mandelbaum that the essence of this ice giant since would probably be dominated by ammonia and hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide gives rotten eggs their stings, but it's also associated with the odor of human fart. Still, scientists had never directly detected the presence of these stinky molecules until now. That is, the author of the new study examined sunlight bouncing off Uranus as captured by the 8-meter Gemini North telescope in Hawaii. Scientists determined that what sort of molecules were inside the atmosphere by examining the light it reflected in infrared. Different compounds absorbed and cast off different wavelength of light, creating a distinct and identi- identi- identifiable signature if you know what to look for. Think of it as dusting for fingerprint, but instead of a suspect, you're looking for molecular compound. The group say they were just barely able to detect the signature they saw. It took a telescope as sensitive as Gemini and condition as clear and perfect as those found at his home on Mauna Kea. Even though no one has ever smelled it, scientists can now say with certainty which molecule have did it. Now, thanks to improved hydrogen sulfide absorption, line data, and the wonderful Gemini spectra, we have the fingerprint which got the culprit. Study author Patrick Irwin of the University of Oxford said in a statement.